How to change YouTube video from private to public. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type YouTube. Now click on search when you're done. Now tap on YouTube and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on view channel. Now wait for some time. Now on this page, simply tap on manage videos. Now select the video you want to make to private. Now tap on three dots. Now click on edit. Now wait for some time. Now tap on visibility. Now select public or private if you want to make it private. Now simply go back and click on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.